Assalamu alaikum, yes students. Now we are moving toward the numeric chromosomal abnormality. Previously we discussed the structural chromosomal abnormalities. Now numeric chromosomal abnormalities mainly caused due to the change in the normal number of chromosomes. Either these changes were occurred in autosome or sex chromosome. As we know that each species have its specific number of chromosomes. For example, we discussed about human being 46 number of chromosomes. Similarly, the if we discuss about the pea which contains 16 number of chromosomes, Drosophila 8 number of chromosomes. If we change in this specific number of chromosome, some chromosomal abnormalities were occurred. Such chromosomal number abnormalities are known as the numeric chromosomal abnormalities. These chromosomal abnormalities mainly caused due to two types of changes. First one is the due to addition of chromosome, in which an extra chromosome will be occurred in the organism, while this may be occurred due to the loss of chromosomes. Mainly such types of changes are occurred due to crossing over, when the homologous chromosomes are overlap to each other to cross their segments, and this and that time the chromosomes were not separate to each other completely. Whenever such conditions were occur, these types of numeric chromosomal changes were caused. If these abnormal chromosomes caused which formed during the crossing over contain two chromosomes, contain three chromosomes, or maybe contain one chromosomes. These chromosomes are transmitted to gametes. Then it is they have chances to cause different chromosomal abnormalities in next generations. Uh, such types of conditions mainly may be occurred in the sex chromosome as well as the autosomes. Such types of conditions are now known as aneuploidy and also polyploidy. What's mean by aneuploidy? Aneuploidy is a condition in which single extra chromosome or missing chromosome were occurred. Basically, we are talking about trisomy. Trisomy means one addition of one extra chromosome, or monosomy when or the loss of one chromosome. Such types of condition where in which an one extra chromosome were occur or one chromosome were missing, such types of condition are known as the aneuploidy. While such conditions in which the organism contain more than two set of homologous chromosomes, such conditions are known as polyploidy. Mean, if we discuss here about that, this is the chromosome number 3. If an organism contain two sets of same chromosome number 3, due to this condition also occur due to the due to extra abnormalities in the uh, crossing over. Such conditions are known as the polyploidy. Polyploidy are not common in human beings. They are rarely occur, and a prominent disease of polyploidy were not recorded in human beings, but still some types of polyploidy changes were recorded in the body of human being. For example, if we discuss these types of changes were occur in the liver cells. Similarly, if we discuss about trisomy here, you can see that's chromosome number 13. Chromosome number 13 contain where it's, in normal condition it contain chromosome one pair and two pair, but in abnormal condition it contain an extra chromosome, third pair of chromosome. This condition is known as the trisomy. Now we will move to where to discuss the common aneuploidy in human. Means we here in this video we discuss, or in this slide we discuss the common aneuploidical problems in human beings. Mean there are a lot of problems of PID problems that's in human beings or basically, if we discuss common applied problems in human beings are the trisomy. Trisomy. What's mean by trisomy? Trisomy is the addition of an extra chromosomes. These are not most common in human beings, and they represent 0.3% of all live birth. If we discuss about trisomy, as we know that trisomy have ability to occur in this chromosome also. I am talking about the sex chromosome. They have also ability to occur in the autosomes as they occurred in this situation. That's why if we see the trisomy occur in sperm, it is 1 to 2%. Okay, and trisomy in egg is 20%. If we discuss about the trisomy, most cases trisomical abnormalities were occur in the females, and the abortions due to trisomy are more than 35%. Mean whenever and chromosomal abnormalities, mainly the trisomy, occur in a zygote or in a fetus, the fetus were not able to successful birth. They were removed, or the fetus become dead in initial stages of its growth, and the percentage of such cases are 35%. In human beings, we now the study shows that the tolerance of human beings against the sex chromosome is more than the autosomes, because the autosomes are responsible for different physiological characters, while the sex chromosomes are responsible for determining different the sex of an individual or the organism. That's why when we disturb the physiological characters of an organism, then such types of problems were more common. Here we discuss about trisomy, which is the Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a Down syndrome is a autosomal disorder which is caused due to abnormality in autosomal chromosome number 21, in which addition of an extra chromosome were occurred in this situation. This types of syndrome are more common types of syndromes in human beings, as we say that they are affecting 1 out of 750 births in human beings. The main symptoms of the such types of syndromes are the mental problems, and they does not able to live their childhood. They are mentally does not mentally these people are very poor, and these people does not have ability to show the secondary sexual characters, etc. Trisomy problems mainly this such type of problems are also detected in chromosome number 13 and 18 and 21, as you see in this picture. Klinefelter syndrome, which is another syndrome, but this syndrome is different from the Down syndrome, because this syndrome is caused due to abnormality in a sex chromosomes. This is more common sex trisomy in human beings, because mainly it is as the name shows that trisomy, because it is caused due to addition of an extra chromosomes, that is the X in the human body. Such male are known as XXY males, and these males reduce the sexual developmental processes, and they are unfertile. They does not have able to fertile, but such types of cases can be tolerated by intake of the sexual hormones, testosterone, etc., and the intake of growth hormone in the initial stages of organisms. Such cases can be treated. Okay, we discuss our next topics in next video. Okay.